In this very video, I'm going to be guiding you step by step process on how you can get to create avatar of yourself in a very simple step. We're going to be taking four simple step, guy. Sorry, guy. We're going to be taking three simple steps. Okay, the first step right now is to upload any image at all you want to use for your avatar. You can see right now I upload image of myself right now, and this is the simple prompt I put it. I will be putting the prompt into the inside this video description. The prompt will be inside the video description. Kindly go and copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. And that is how simple it is, guys. You can upload any image of anybody at all you want to turn into avatar. Okay, this is what I gave ChatGPT. Create a 3D animated character. I will not be able to read everything, so I will put the prompt into the video description right now. You can see the image is being processed, right? So let's wait for a minute. So after a few minutes, the image has been generated for us, and I need to download it right now. So the first step is to use ChatGPT to turn our prompt to turn any image into a realistic avatar. So we are going to be making use of the second step right now is to generate an audio. So we are going to be making use of this website is called Lovable Voice, guys. Okay, so this is a free tool that we can use to generate audio, guys. So okay, so I just need to write a prompt, right? Just write a prompt. What do you want your avatar to talk about? What exactly you want the avatar to talk about? And we need to put it inside this prompt right now. We need to put it inside our space and click on generate. And okay, after we click on generate, we also to solve a captcha, so to verify that we are human, we are not AI. So after we are done with that, we just need to click on create. Okay, the final step, which is the most important step, is to turn the avatar into a realistic video. We're going to be making use of clean AI, guys. Okay, with clean AI, the interface is very simple and easy to navigate through. Okay, so we just need to click on this side on we need to click on the on the assets. Okay, got it. Once you click on the asset, we ask to generate image or generate video. Just click on the generate video, generate the section of generate video. We have text to video, we have image to video, and we also have like we have some section there, like we have some section that we need to take a look, and we have also our image to video. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is image to video. So we need to click on start now. Once you click on start now, it will take us to our gallery right now. So that is a place we are going to be uploading it inside this place right now. Okay, I just need to click on the download section and click on the image. Okay, I need to double tap to click on the image. So the image is being uploaded. So we need to reduce this to reduce this clean from clean 1.5 to 1.6 to 1.5, because we are using it for free. Okay, so we need to put it to standard, put that section, make sure you insert all this option, put it to optional. It should be one. The output should be one. The output should be one. Okay, so if you want to generate more than one, that means you need to upgrade. Okay, so this is the more important part too. So we need to insert the prompt. What do you want this character to do? I've inserted the prompt, so I'll be leaving everything inside the video description. So after we are done with everything, all this section is optional. So I click on generate. This is generating the video for me. I just need to wait for a few minutes, and the video has been generated. Okay, so the video has been generated. Okay, the next step we need to take right now is to lip sync this video. Like, the video has been generated without audio, nothing. The hand gesture, the movement is there already. So what we need to do right now is to upload the audio we generated from the website. Like, we need to upload it inside this clean AI. So you will see a button right now, lip sync. You will see this side I say lip sync on the video section right now. That side I said lip sync. So we need to click on that side, and that is the place to take us to a section that's whether we want to area where we are writing the text, or we want to upload the image, like we want to upload the audio, sorry guy, we want to upload the audio. That's the section. It's going to ask us some few questions, and that is how simple it is. Okay, so let me wait for you. Okay, you can see that section, lip sync. So I've clicked on the section already. So you can see text to speech, and we can also generate some various voice they have for. So since we have generated an audio from a website, this will not cost us more credit, guys. So we just need to click or okay. So we need to upload the audio right now, and make sure that the audio is not over 1 minute. It's very important. And click on generate for 10 coin and 5 coin, guys. So we're gonna be making use of 5 credit. You can see it, one task in progress right now. So it is in progress, so we need to wait for a few minutes, and let's wait for it. Okay, boom, guys, it has been generated. It has been generated, and let's listen to it and see how it sounds, guys.
I am very sure you will get value from this video.
Okay, guys, so it sounds good, right? So once you listen to it and you really love it, then we need to download it. And that's how simple to create avatar of yourself, turn any image into avatar, and turn it into a realistic video, right? That's how simple it is. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I love you. Bye for now, guys.